side we have 2.5G Ethernet port and 3 mm headphone jack. On the right side we have two USB-A super speed that can go up to 5 Gbps, and then we have a mini SSD. Behind of this we have the power supply, we have the HDMI connector, and then we have one power display, USB-C, and one Thunderbolt. So this is all we have for this laptop, and then it can go like up to 180 degrees, and here you go. So I have installation for Ubuntu as well as Windows. So look how cool it is. So let's see what do we get. System information, and you can see we have Windows 11, Alienware, we have Intel R Ultra 9 185H that supports 2.3 gigahertz and 16 core CPU. So you can see here we have the 16 gigabyte RAM, and this PC comes with the Ethernet 2.5G. Let's see, is it true or not? Yeah, you can see it here. It says killer E3100G 2.5G Ethernet port, which is very cool. And then this also comes with the Wi-Fi 7. So you can see it here, Wi-Fi 7 chipset BE202, but it comes with the basically with the BE202 comes with 160 megahertz. The high bandwidth is 160 megahertz.